So guys, I made it to work. Kanina kasi yung car ko I didn't start. Pero ginamit ko naman yung general sa so thankfully I made it. Pero I didn't have a chance to vlog it kanina. Ito made it safe to work. Grabe. Daming snow. So earlier, I was panicking. I thought I couldn't make it to work kasi my car didn't start. So luckily, my husband, he decided to stay home and he can stay home and then he can work at home. So yes, ito guys, grabe ang daming snow. Hindi naman grabe. Okay lang. Medyo mild. Pero nakakashock pag meron na. Mo sa snow be? Brr. Sige na. Usa ka sulti niyo. Lambi kayo. Lambi kayo himuog kuan halo-halo. Hoy, pag amping diha ha, basig masagirit ka. You too. More snow. The fun stuff. Where did I park? Oh, nandito pala ako. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Daming snow, guys. It's not fun at all. Brush it up. Welcome to Canada. my goodness. Fun, fun, fun. Yan guys. This will take me forever. Kasi mabigat. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang dami. Mabigat siya. Ayan. Yan guys, oh, ang dami. Yeah, I ordered this shit in Amazon. It's Prime.
Oh, it came faster.
Yeah, it delivered really, really fast because it's Prime. Jesus. I didn't even pay for it.
They were sending it for nothing.
Yeah, it was free. Is it gonna snow tonight too? Lamig. So guys, aandar na tayo. So yeah, natapos din. It took me about 40 minutes. And ayun yung mga kababayan natin, nandoon pa. Yun. Ang lamig ng kamay ko. I forgot to bring my gloves. Oh my god. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Ang lamig sa labas. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang dami ng snow. Yan o. Ang dami. Wala na. Goodbye, fall. Hello, winter. Ayan. Isn't that snow looks beautiful? Ang ganda tingnan, ano? Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda tingnan. Wow. So guys, nakauwi na din ako. I was gonna try and do a video for you guys while I was driving, but I realized I didn't have my what do you call that, a phone holder so I can take a video, and I didn't want to do that because I was driving. Tapos mahirap pa mag-video while you're driving. So, especially yung daan masyadong slippery. Kaya, so yeah, tingnan nyo guys, ang dami pa ng snow. Thankfully, I made it home safe. I'm actually so glad. So yeah, that was my dilemma today. It wasn't really good day. I'm pretty sure, you know, driving out there, especially sa highway, madulas. But, so yeah, I'm still grateful I made it home. And today I had problem with my car, and my car had a hard time starting it. I think I don't have my car battery died on me. I'm pretty sure I left the door open. I'm not quite sure if I did that, pero luckily my husband told me I can use his car. So yeah, so nandito na ako sa bahay guys, and I wanna thank you once again for supporting, and if you haven't subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe. It would really mean a lot. And thank you. Take care of yourself and be good, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.